welcome to Home Sai Cooking Classes, and this is Chef Seema Gaware Patil from Nasik. So today I have brought a very amazing course of chocolate bites. In this course I will teach you 12 varieties of chocolate bites, and these chocolate bites are so expensive in the market. But I will show you how to make very easily all these chocolate bites, how to do packaging, how to put sticker, everything. So that if you want to start any small business from home, even you can do that also. You can make all these chocolate bites for home purpose also. So let's see what are the variety of chocolate bites you are going to learn in this course. So this is pista bite. So in this course I will teach you how to make that perfect crunchy chocolate bite using mold and without mold, both the way I will show you. Then how to do packaging, how to make sticker, everything I am going to show in this class. Then this is almond bites. These bites are very crunchy and soft. The taste is just awesome. Beside this course, we have many more courses in chocolate like chocolate making, chocolate fudge, truffle, chocolate mithai, then chocolate florentine, bouquet. We have one more very amazing course, that is crunchy chocolate and that Dubai viral chocolate glass. So this is chocolate hazelnut bite. Then this is mango chocolate bite. As we have more than 275 plus online courses, which we have designed in such a way that after joining our any online course, you can start your small business from home, or even you can make all the dishes for home purpose also. Because in class I will teach you both the way, for selling purpose also and for home purpose also. Then this is Oreo bite. So before joining our any online course, please check our description box. I have given you the contact number. Collect our menu card and then decide which course you are interested, because we have so many courses. There is wide range of courses starting from beginning to advanced level, everything is there. Then this is crunchy chocolate bite. Even you can buy our courses from our app. Home Sai Cooking Classes app is there. Just download our app and buy anytime and join our class. Then this is cashew bite. And this course is available both in Hindi and English languages. So let's see who will be the 2 lucky winners for this week. When you join our any online course, you will get recipe PDF video for lifetime access. Then you will get the certificate. And if you are having any doubt after joining our course, you can contact us and solve your all queries. So in this way, you can join our online course anytime, any place and from anywhere. So first lucky winner is Gunjan Lakhnani, and second is Naina Warekar. So congratulations both lucky winners. You can claim your free online course by contacting on below numbers. So see you next week with a new course, but before that, do like, share, subscribe to our channel.